Kubor na Khlem jong unongsan Hima.
Skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, Kalapenshai Helor ke Jingsha Khanglad unong elam ke Seng Congress Rahul Gandhi ban penlong jingalang hakani ke Khlem henen ke sngi. Halor ke ni ke benta nak liang ke Skulbah Kalapenshai makinong penya ya ke jingalang nak ke benta banwan Rahul Gandhi hakati ke Skulbah ke Khlem yo jingbet nak ke snong badu Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi bat namar kata lahap ban pensange no ya ke jingalang. Ketika Skulbah kala pentip dah kabaong baka Ustm kajusngau tenat ban khot ikinu ki briu ki badan ha san Hima sima ki badan ya kanong rem ban penyar ya ke jingmut ki khna puli ki balong ki jingmen toy nak benta jong ki bat kum juru ka Ustm kala khot yo presiden barem kari uram nat koven bat ki weide ki menteri rangba bat kum juru ki menteri sarkar ni ki we ki seng san Hima sima syakate ke jaka puli ban ya kendu bat ya kren ki khna bat ki no hikai ke Ustm kalau ong badang shen u presiden ke Assam Pradesh Congress Committee ulalit ban yakendu ikinong tre ke Ustm na kamenta ban panwa ya ke Central Auditorium jo ke Skulbah na kamenta ke jingwan jong Rahul Gandhi ke belabu ha ke arpulai trik u ke lalingkot arajar arpusau koman chupen kan mau nong elam ke Seng Congress Rahul Gandhi ha ke singi baar ulakam Pula syak Khanglad ban yakran bat kisamna puli ke University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kabadan haribhoi komshi benta na ke jingyat denti jong u bala ai kerteng Bharat Jodo Nyai Yatra hadien ke jingyo hukum na menteri kor bari u Amit Shah watla u Khlem shem satyai ke kerteng jong ni menteri ha ke juk kopor u loong ba menteri kor bari u la betha ya ke Khlem trekam jong menteri rangba ka Assam ba ketika Skulbah shimet kam dei ban ai jingbet ya u panlet ya kran be kisamla puli ha ga jing shisha urahul la dei ban yakandu ikisamna puli ka Ustm haribhoi ha ka step jong kasngi baar ha ka la sngi ublei ulawan chonong po man ai jing kran hamadan paham sim barula sa amit habarnihan hendai ha ka miet jong kala sngi ublei registrar ka te ka Skulbah ula tho sho nong elam ka Seng Congress ha Assam ha ka baula pentip Bau Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi, Khlem ai jing bet satya ban penlong ya ketika jing kandu pat kisamla puli. Ula ong bikinong elam ke Seng Congress, ki Khlem ai lang ya ke sernot, no objection certificate na ke Skulbah, pat na orang ba snong, ha kapor bikilapan jing bet ban penlong ya ke jing lang ha Ustm. Laban kedau ba ke Central Auditorium jo ke Skulbah Ustm ke de ke baju ai wai man la kapor, na benta ban pendon kam ya ka, hadien ke jing hukum na ki bor penyan. Kumta ka Ustm kala pensyai da kabaong maginong penya jo ketika Skulbah ki Khlem yo ya kanu ka hukum ni ka khubor ne ki brig banabar ke jala Meghalaya ban Khanglad ya ka jingwan Rahul Gandhi ban penong ya ka jingelang ha ketika jaka puli kumbala sapriang hakilat pathai khubor.
It's important because you are the future of this country and the most important thing for this country is that all of you are allowed to think freely, to believe freely, to imagine freely, and to live the life that you want, not live the life that somebody else wants. Now, I wanted to come to your university and talk to you, embrace you, listen to you, understand what you are facing, and try and see in my own little way if I could have helped you. Now what happened? The Home Minister of India called up the Chief Minister of Assam, and then the Chief Minister of Assam's office called up the leadership of your university and said that Rahul Gandhi must not be allowed to speak to the students of this university. Right? Now, why is it important? It's not important that Rahul Gandhi comes or Rahul Gandhi doesn't come. That's not important. What is important is that you are allowed to listen to anybody you want to listen to. Now, this is taking place not only in Assam. This is taking place in every single university, college and school of India. You are being told that you must blindly obey the RSS and the leadership of this country. You are being told that you should not have your own imagination. You are being told that you cannot speak your own language. You are being told that you cannot have your own history. That is what is going on here. So what is being done is you are being made blindly obedient. They are trying, brothers and sisters, to turn you into slaves. And I know that nobody, no force in this universe can ever turn you into slaves. It is not possible. So what I want to leave you with is this country belongs to you. This country has to follow your imagination. And nobody should be allowed to prevent you from imagining and thinking about the India that you want. Nobody should be able to stop you reading or writing in any language you want. Nobody should be able to stop you. Nobody should be able to stop you from listening, reading your tradition, your culture, your history. It's not about Rahul Gandhi coming here. That's the least important thing happening here. It is about you having an imagination, you being allowed to do what you want. I really appreciate that you have come here, because you have come here because you do not agree with what the Chief Minister is trying to do. You are not ready to accept an enslaved Assam. And I am extremely proud of you for that. Thank you very much to the people.